You may have noticed that our population is getting older. Within the next 20 years, we will see something human history has never seen before. By the year 2030, there will be more people over 60 than there are under 20. This will impact so much around us. There will be new options and avenues for healthcare and health maintenance. There will be new alternatives to when and how we retire from our first or even second or third careers. There will be innovative technological solutions that extend our connections and keep us independent longer. Even the culture we live in and the activities we engage in will be significantly impacted by these demographic changes. Join me, Lee Mowat, as I go on a journey of learning and discovery to see how the older generations will master themselves and their changing world. Welcome to New Age Aging.